This video is brought to you by Co-Craft Musubi makers.
Aloha, I'm Tom Koach, the co-author of the Hawaiian style Musubi cookbook. And today I'm going to share with you one of the recipes for making Wonton Musubi. It's a really good recipe. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Let me show you how it's done.
This recipe is straightforward. Prepare the filling, wrap a small amount of meat into the wontons, fry, then assemble with rice and nori into a musubi. It's that easy. Here's the ingredients. 8 shrimp chopped into small pieces, a half-pound ground beef, and a half-pound pork. I got lucky and my butcher packaged them together and he called it pork. 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons water chestnuts chopped, and 1 egg beaten. 1/3 cup chopped green onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 9 wonton wrappers or skins, 3 cups rice, 9 half sheets of nori. Prepare 3 cups of rice according to your rice maker's instructions. Prepare the wonton filling by combining the meat, shrimp, oyster sauce, water chestnuts, green onion, and salt and pepper. Mix well with a spoon or by hand. Now make the wontons by adding a tablespoon of the meat-shrimp mixture to the center of a wonton skin. Add beaten egg mixture to the 3 sides of the wonton skin with your finger and fold over into a rectangle. Pat the meat flat. Deep fry your wontons in canola oil, heated to about 320 degrees, for about 4 minutes or until golden brown. Now assemble the musubi by adding a layer of rice to your musubi maker mold. Press down. Add the wontons. Add another layer of rice. Also note you can make musubi with rice on the bottom only and the wonton on top. Press down. Remove the mold. Now wrap the nori around the rice. Cut the musubi and serve. There you have it, a delicious lunch or snack. Enjoy! Mahalo for stopping by.